Congratulations are in order. Moving on, the Western Region TVET Athletics Games came to an end at Bushiangala Technical Training Institute in Kakamega County, with Chenzewa, Kongoni and Dr. Wako Murende TVETs leaving a mark in this year's edition. The focus now turns to the national games that will be held later this year.
I managed kuchukua position 1, though weather ijakuwa tu poa. Yeah, but nime manage kuchukua number 1.
Competition haijakuwa sawa, imekuwa ngumu, but nimetia bidii nikakuwa position 1.
Men 800, 1500 na women 3000 na triple chase. Ndio tumejaribu sana.
The competition has been so competitive, and there are students we have seen some of these institutions that were initially not having athletes or competitors who can go to them, but qualifying. So in short, we are saying it has been competitive.
After this level, we shall be moving on to the national level, and I can promise the other regions that we are bringing a team that is going to compete, but not just to participate.
Now, former